Another cool product we introduced down here at Barrett-Jackson in Scottsdale is our new Yamaha soundbar that we offer as an option in all our cabinets. Soundbar comes with these custom-made pro-slat brackets so you can mount them underneath, keep all of your counter space nice and clear. Another key feature is the subwoofer is a wireless subwoofer, so you can put this in any corner up top, get it out of the way. It doesn't have to be right beside it. And as always, with the Yamaha quality, the sound is incredible.
It's never been easier to immerse yourself in clear, lifelike sound. Introducing the world's first soundbar with DTS Virtual X. The YAS-207 is capable of virtualizing an immersive 3D surround sound experience, including the perception of height without the complexity of a multi-speaker layout. It works with any source, making all your content sound more realistic and enveloping. The slim, understated design is a natural for tabletop placement, or can be wall-mounted with its built-in keyholes. The elegant wireless subwoofer provides deep, impactful bass and can be placed anywhere in a room. Stream music to the YAS-207 wirelessly with Bluetooth. Its built-in music enhancer restores frequency response lost during digital compression. Connection to your TV can be as simple as a single HDMI cable, with additional connections to match your AV needs. The YAS-207 soundbar with DTS Virtual X makes it easy to add an immersive audio experience to all of your favorite TV shows, movies, games, and music, all in an elegant, easy-to-use package.